From the clicks of the cowboy boots to the call of the steps, the line dance classes offered for students gives them the opportunity to learn a new skill and get some exercise. In line dancing, dancers work as individuals and dance alongside each other. The dancers stand in rows or lines and all face the same direction.
Say what? Say fireball!
The cuer calls out the steps, and the dancers follow suit. What may sound like a challenging dance or step, the line dance class teaches students the most popular line dance sequences.
So every class we go over multiple line dances, and we teach a crowd behind us, all different line dances with different songs every week.
The Flannel Fest is a tradition where students dress up in their best Western wear, cowboy boots, and flannels included. The night includes snacks, a photo booth, music, and line dancing the night away. When arriving, it is intimidating watching all the lines start to form and the cuer call out the steps so quickly, but the line dancing class is a perfect opportunity to get some prep in.
We actually see people that come to our classes, and we'll see a couple friends who know that we're the line dancing instructors, so it's really cool seeing people who come see us on Wednesdays, come to Flannel Fest. It's good seeing new faces too who have never done anything before but are willing to come try out.
What started off as a fun class to teach quickly picks up speed as the Flannel Fest goes underway. It takes place right here in Chaplain Hall. The Flannel Fest is a great opportunity for students to take those line dancing skills that they learned and have the opportunity to show them off while in their Western wear.
You'll see a group of people who that come every week, and they get excited to be here, and they're like, oh, we know that one or whatever, and they get really excited that they'll know one, or we've been practicing this before today.
The Life at Olivet Club supports students by creating fun events, like the Flannel Fest, to get students more involved. Each semester, Chaplain Hall is flooded by the ONU Tigers eager to jump into the line dancing.
Important is it? I think it's so important just because we want that sense of community for all of our students. So I feel like just putting on events just like this kind of helps bring that in, and everyone can just connect with each other, make more friends.
The Flannel Fest is a fun tradition that gets students out of their comfort zone, laughing with friends, and put those line dancing skills, thanks to the line dance class, to test. Line dance classes run all through the spring semester, so be sure to grab your boots, head to the Perry Center room 222 every Wednesday at 8. For Access ONU, I'm Karen Villasenor Poumian.